Hey Maker, if your product photos look blurry, dark, or have low resolution, your smartphone isn't the problem. It's how you're using it. Here's the truth. Your smartphone is more than capable of taking high quality product photos. You just need to fix a few common mistakes. So in this video, I'm breaking down 5 mistakes that are secretly lowering the quality of your product photos and showing you how to fix them so that your images look sharp, bright, and have high resolution. If this is your first time joining me, hey, I'm Christina Nicole, product photography coach for makers. First, let's start with the easiest fix, cleaning your lens. You'd be surprised how often blurry, hazy product photos are caused by a smudged lens. Your phone is always in your hand, your pocket, your bag. It picks up fingerprints, dust, and oils that make your images look foggy and low quality. Before you take any product photos, wipe your lens with a microfiber cloth or a lens wipe. This 1-second habit will instantly improve your image sharpness. Second, smartphone cameras don't work well in low light. Unlike professional cameras, they struggle to capture enough detail, which leads to dark, grainy, and low quality photos. The solution? Use a dedicated light setup. Even if you're using natural light, you need to understand how to modify it. If lighting has been a struggle for you, I've got something that will help. My live 5-day challenge light is opening for enrollment soon. In just 5 days, I'll walk you through how to evaluate, diagnose, and cure your crummy light symptoms so that you can capture beautiful, well-lit product photos without frustration. Click up here or grab the link in the description below to get on the wait list now so that you can be the first to be notified when enrollment opens. Third, one of the biggest reasons your product photos look blurry is because your phone is guessing what to focus on. Smartphones don't always know what the subject is, especially if you're using props or have a busy background. And if it picks the wrong spot, your product is out of focus. Fix this by tapping on your product to set focus. If your phone keeps refocusing, tap and hold to lock the focus so it stays sharp. This simple trick will instantly make your photos sharper. Fourth, if you've ever taken what you thought was the perfect photo only to zoom in and realize it's blurry, yeah, that's super frustrating. But here's the thing, it's probably not your phone, it's you. Even the slightest movement while holding your smartphone or tapping the screen can cause motion blur, especially in lower light. But the good news, you don't actually have to touch your phone to take the shot. A simple fix is using a tripod and a Bluetooth shutter release. This eliminates any movement, keeping your phone completely still. If you aren't sure which type of tripod is best for you, click up here and check out my video, 3 things to consider before buying a tripod. A Bluetooth shutter release lets you take a photo without touching your phone at all. No button pressing, no accidental movement, just a crisp, sharp shot every time. This little remote is a game changer. Just pair it with your phone, press a button, and boom. If you don't have a remote, no worries. Just set your phone's timer to 10 seconds. Press the shutter and step back. Your phone takes the shot after it stabilizes, so no blur. If you have an Apple Watch or a Samsung Watch, use it as a remote. You can preview and capture your shot right from your wrist. Some smartphones even let you take a photo just by saying cheese or capture. So you can literally talk your way into a better product photo. And the 5th and final mistake, zooming or cropping way too much. Smartphone cameras lose quality when you zoom in or crop too much. Instead of zooming in, frame your product correctly while shooting. Move in closer to make sure your product is well positioned in the frame. But make sure to still leave enough space to crop for Etsy's 4:3 aspect ratio if needed. This keeps your image sharp and high quality instead of pixelated and low resolution. See? You don't need a fancy camera to take high quality product photos. With just a few small changes like cleaning your lens, using the right lighting, locking focus, stabilizing your shot, and framing your product correctly, you can completely transform the quality of your product photos using the smartphone you already have. And when your photos look better, your products look more professional. Your brand stands out, and shoppers feel confident hitting that buy now button. And remember, if lighting is the thing holding you back, don't struggle with it any longer. My light challenge is designed to help you fix bad lighting in just 5 days. No fancy equipment needed. So click the link in the description below to join the wait list so you don't miss when enrollment opens. See you next time.